Hey lovelies, it's Ebony. Welcome back to my channel where I'm creating hair care confidence. Now for today's product review, we're going to be talking about the Doux. This was a product line that you guys recommended to me in my previous review video. So I had to go down to Target and pick up the Twist and Curl Cream and the Big Poppa Defining Gel. And let's all just take a moment to appreciate the creativity behind this product line. Just the titles alone. I love this whole hip hop feel. I love the colors. I love the big bold writing. Look at this. This is just so cute. I love it. And it's Black owned. Miss Maya Smith is the owner of the line. She has 5 kids, y'all. 5 kids. I'm on my journey to just trying to have 1 child. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Can you imagine 5 kids running around here? Because I can't. I won't. So shout out to her. I love to see a Black owned business flourishing. I've been seeing the Doux around for a long time and I just haven't gotten around to trying it. I don't know why. Now just to remind you guys of what my scoring system is, let me just go ahead and tell you. We're going to be talking about price, packaging, feel/texture, penetration/absorption. I can never say that word, it's so hard for some reason. And of course, most importantly, to me at least, hold. Because if this stuff doesn't hold my curls in place after I took 2 hours to do my hair, I'm gonna be mad. So yeah, let's go ahead. My lash glue is like sticking to my lower lash and I feel like my eye is barely opening. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Before we do that, I just want to remind you guys to like this video if you enjoyed it. If you're still here, you're probably gonna enjoy the whole thing, so just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share this video because if you liked it, I'm sure you want to tell someone else. So share it to your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, word of mouth, whatever you need to do. Text it to somebody, I don't care. Just get the word out that Ebony is back with the product reviews. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and shout out to all the newbies here. If you are watching me and you aren't subscribed, you found your way to me somehow through Instagram or a YouTube suggestion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We want to be one big family here at Ebony's Curly TV. We have a lot of fun and we love to laugh, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for extra credit. Remember to speak your greatness, and as always, thanks for watching. Alright you guys, first things first, as usual, we are starting out with freshly washed hair. I meant to mention what I used to wash my hair in the beginning of the video, but it's not a big deal. It's the same shampoo and conditioner that I used in my previous review video, which is the Formulate shampoo, the kind that you can go on their website and customize exactly what you want in your shampoo. And for conditioner, you guys know I don't do a lot of those rinse out conditioners. I like to take the opportunity to use a mask in my hair. I just feel like my hair benefits more from that, especially a hydrating mask. So I use the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. And now moving on to leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be using the Amika Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. You guys know how I feel about this. This is a product that you can either leave in your hair or rinse out, and I don't know why anyone would ever rinse this out. My hair loves this stuff. It penetrates it so easily, so quickly, and it starts to define my curls before I even put any styling product on my hair. So no matter what product I'm using, this will always be my base. Now to style my hair, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Cream Twist and Curl Cream. As you can see, this product is so thick. It's that good kind of thick though. It's not super duper heavy. It has some weight to it, but it's also whipped, so it has that really creamy, silky feel that I love. Now since I always have to have a cream whenever I do a wash and go, of course I had to put that on my hair first and just brush that through to try and get my curls to define before adding the gel. Now when selecting the products that I wanted to purchase from this line, I was kind of on the fence about this cream at first, but it was the avocado ingredient that stood out to me that made me just go ahead and make the decision, because I love avocado hair products. My hair always responds positively to anything with avocado in it, so I just went ahead and made the purchase. Now it's time for the gel, the Big Poppa Defining Gel. It promises to define curls, fight frizz and humidity, give you touchable hold, No crunching or flaking, and it's perfect for wash and goes, twist outs, or braid outs. And there's even some Babassu oil in there, which really is impressive because Babassu oil helps to lock in and maintain moisture, which causes less breakage in the long run. So to have a gel on the market that has those properties, when a lot of times gels are just there for hold, you know, people find them to be drying or flaky, it's really refreshing. All right, now here's where things took an interesting turn. As you guys know, I always do my wash and goes with a cream and a gel. And because this cream tells me right on the packaging that, you know, this is good for curling and shingling and also defining the perfect twist out. But because I saw, you know, about the curling and shingling, I was like, okay, this will be good for a wash and go. It wasn't quite that good for a wash and go, mostly because there wasn't much hold. I think this cream would be perfect for a braid out or a twist out, but not for my wash and goes. I need way more hold than what this product provides. So to give me that hold, I was like, okay, this is where the gel is going to come into play. This is going to be the icing on the cake. But I should have read the directions for the Big Poppa defining gel, because apparently this gel works way better on its own. As you'll begin to see in just a few moments, that there was a lot of product separation / buildup on my hair to the point where you could actually see it. The cream was not mixing well with the gel at all, and you can see all the little white balls, or you know, just little chunks of product just sitting on top of my hair. That is a indicator that the product is not going to dry well. You're going to have frizz. You might even have some flaking going on. So on the other side of my hair, I decided to just do the gel all by itself. Now I saw that my hair was reacting negatively to the cream and gel combo on the left side, but I continued to finish that entire half because I just wanted to see what the difference would be had I done my whole head this way. But yeah, back to the gel. You will start to see immediately how my hair positively responded to just the gel by itself. Now I definitely have that Amika Multitask repair treatment on my hair, but that absorbs so quickly into my strands that it doesn't interfere with most of the hair products that I use. So I was happy to see that the gel was actually doing its job on my right side. My hair looked so good, and this is really surprising to me because I never do a wash and go with just gel alone. Never, because I'm always afraid of frizz, or my hair is going to be super dry and it's just going to be a mess to detangle, like all of the above. But because I feel this defining gel has the Babassu oil in it, it made it a good candidate for a single product wash and go. So this is your reminder to always read the instructions for a new product that you're using. Even if it's just a gel and you think you already know what to do with the gel, read the instructions. Now it's time for the official review, starting with price. The Big Poppa defining gel is $12.99, while the cream, twist, and curl cream is $14.99. When talking about natural hair products, this seems to be in the typical range of what natural hair products cost, especially when you're talking about ingredients like rose water, avocado, manoi, babassu. Like, these are not cheap ingredients, so it was no surprise that the price point is where it's at. Moving on to packaging, both of these products came in a jar. You guys know how I feel about jars. I love them. I don't want to have to pick up things to squeeze them or pump with both hands. I love a jar all the time. Next is feel and texture. Both of these products felt really good going onto my hair, especially the gel. Once I put the gel on my hair by itself, it had a much velvety, smoother feel than when I put it on top of the cream. So I definitely appreciated that. But surprisingly, there was a little bit of stickiness going on. Like, once I was finished applying the products to my hair, my hands and my fingers were kind of sticking together a little bit. And then when my hair was not quite dry, but almost dry, it still felt a little bit sticky. Next up is penetration / absorption. The gel penetrated my hair perfectly. The cream, not so much. I wish it would have done a little bit more. I thought my hair would be softer and more clumped together with, you know, the curls defining, but I had to put a good amount on each section to get my hair to respond. And last up is hold. But before we get into that, I just want to show you guys how my hair looked after I diffused it. My hair was about 85% dry here, and on my left side is where I did both the cream and the gel. but on my right side is where I did just the gel. So I wanted you guys to see if you could notice a difference. I couldn't. Well, I could a little bit, but it wasn't as stark as I thought it would be. Now this is how my hair looked the next day. It's completely dry, and even while it's in this little bun, you can see that there's a lot of definition, there's some shine. I was really happy with the results. And for the sake of this review, I just want to show you guys one more time how my hair looks completely dry. Remember, on my left side is both the cream and the gel, but on my right side is just the gel by itself. It's almost so obvious. Like, look at this. This is the side with the cream. It's not as shiny. This is the side with just the gel. Look at that shine. I can't wait to try this gel again the correct way by itself to see how my hair is going to look. All right, now that I got my hair situated, I'm going to go ahead and do my edges with my favorite edge control, Pattern Beauty. With my Canon T3i edge brush, I don't leave home without it. The edge control gives me super good, super great, all of the above, really good hold, and the brush just helps me really get in there and get the detail that I need. Now back to hold. My hair felt so good, y'all. Touchable hold, that can be a crapshoot. That can be soft hold that's gonna leave me with a lot of frizz, but my hair had movement, definition, shine. I would absolutely buy this gel again. Now the cream, probably not. I feel like I could find something better. I might have something better that doesn't cost quite as much. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you did. Share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Remember to speak your greatness. And as always, thanks for watching.